Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a hair growth recipe that will help with moisturizing dry scalp. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the main ingredient that you're going to need for this recipe is going to be okra. So I'm going to be using a cup of frozen okra. You can use fresh okra. Also, there is dried okra, but I already had okra in the freezer, so I was like, I might as well just use it. So I want to dry out the okra. So what I'm going to do is place the okra onto some paper towels, and then I'm going to place the okra near a window that gets a lot of sunlight to help dry out the okra. If you are able to let the okra sit outside without any bugs or birds trying to eat it, then I would suggest doing that as well. So I'm just going to let it sit for about 2 to 3 days. So it's a few days later. It took the okra about 3 to 4 days to dry out. Once it did, I just placed it into the refrigerator until I was ready to actually make the oil. Okra is a great ingredient to help grow out your hair because it is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and has calcium, potassium, and lots of nutrients that are great for hair growth, moisturizing a dry scalp, and gets rid of dandruff. Now I'm just going to place the dried okra into a mason jar, and I'm going to be using half a cup of olive oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choosing. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet, and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. A hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.